as you can tell by my puffy face, I am super tired. I'm literally running on like 2 hours of sleep, but it's fine. I'm so excited to be here. This has been such a dream trip for me that I was trying to plan for the last 2 years, but it just wasn't happening, and finally here. It's very nippy, it's chilly, I'm loving the weather. Airport was super easy to get out of, just got introduced to my car and driver for the day. But wait, before I actually even start talking, I don't think I've given you guys any context to this vlog. Sorry, I just can't stop looking out the window because everything is so untouched, the brick walls and everything. The topography is so different from anything we see in Bombay or Pune. But anyway, this is my birthday trip. I turned 25. Sorry, I turned 26. And I think because I'm turning over this new leaf in my life, I'm also in such a different headspace that I was in compared to my last year. I just thought I really wanted to bring my birthday in at the Golden Temple. This is just something I've been wanting to do for the longest time now, but I guess today was the day, and it was super spontaneous. Obviously, I didn't know I was going until literally 24 hours ago, so the opportunity came. Literally, the flights were working out, so I was like, why not? And yeah, now I'm here. Really excited to be able to explore Amritsar. I've heard so much about it from my nani, who visits the Golden Temple very regularly. And yeah, gonna spend my day here, reflect, think about what the next year has in store for me, and just start my 26th year on a really good, peaceful note. So those are the vibes we're working with today. Tired, but I am going to pull through because it's my birthday and I'm only here for a day, so we gotta make the most of it. So I've just been eating my way through the city after I visited Golden Temple. I will tell you guys more about my Golden Temple experience, I think, once I'm at the airport and I have some free time and I can sit down and talk about it. But one word, it was insane. It did leave me really hungry, so I've been completing my food bucket lists all over Amritsar. Right now we're at this Patty Kulcha, Premnath's Patty Kulcha, which is supposed to be like super famous, and everything here is made in desi ghee. So yeah. so glad I came back. Just seeing this temple at night in a completely different form and completely different aura. The energy is so different at night. It's so much more calm. There's so much more white noise, which is kind of like deafening out my anxiety, overall anxiety. I'm not anxious about anything in particular, but if you ever come to the Golden Temple, please make sure to come both times. You must come both times. It's so peaceful, it's so divine. Even in the morning, I had such a good darshan. I will leave all the details of how to enter, which gate to use, what the procedures are with the hair cover, appropriate things to wear, etc. Everything in the description for those that haven't been here before. This was also my first time, but it's just divine. Like, I don't think you guys should wait to visit this place. It's one of the best experiences I've had. Like, I'm not even a religious or spiritual person, but it's hand down one of the best experiences I've had. First order of business is this papdi chaat, which I'm going to actually taste test, which is actually my first taste test of the day because it's just been such a busy day, honestly. So here goes. It's really good. We have this place called Haveli, which our driver recommended to us. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, so I'll just stop talking and update you guys from the airport, but as of right now, this papdi chaat is very good. Pudine wala banti soda. Exactly what I needed. It's exactly what I needed. Thank you. Thank you.
ये है जी मसाला कुलचा, इसके साथ 2 मक्की रोटी है, ये गेहूँ,
Okay. Thank you.
ये चाटी दी लस्सी नमकीन लस्सी छाछ, ये देसी घी है जी, ये शक्कर.
Thank you. Kulcha. And this is my sarson ka saag platter, guys. Do you all want me to give you a taste test right now? Finally time to head back to Bombay. I'm in the car, headed to the airport. I know I must have said this before in the vlog, but I've had one of the best days of my life. 10 on 10 vibes, 10 on 10 food, and obviously 10 on 10 experience at the Golden Temple. It was genuinely divine, so ethereal. In the morning, obviously, we had to stand in line, and it was, quite long, but just the whole aura and the energy around the temple is just so like, you get lost in it in terms of like goosebumps. I'm sorry if you can't see me because I want to make sure that I vlog before my vlog camera battery dies out. And even when you go inside, you take your darshan, there are like different levels to the temples. You can go and you can sit, you can just get lost in the whole aura. So I was actually sitting there for a good like 20-25 minutes. I came down, I sat down again. Yeah, Kara Prasad was amazing. Also bought a lot of bought a lot of like prasad to take back home as well. That is also something that happens that you can do. And I will put all the details below. I'm just a little lost for words because never in a million years did I think I'd be able to celebrate my birthday like this. And honestly, didn't even know till yesterday what I was going to do, but that's just me, the spontaneous Sagittarius. So yeah, it was quite fun. I wish I was here longer, and I wish I was checking in a bag because I really wanted to buy like juttis and like traditional fulkari dupattas or like suit sets, because the shopping in and around like the temple area is amazing. So yeah, pro tip for anybody coming, don't skimp on, like, you would think, oh, this is so touristy, it's right outside the temple, it's a tourist trap, but honestly that's just the wholesale market. Like that's just where the market is, so there's no other places like where you can go. It's all right there. And honestly, I didn't feel like too like tricked or scammed by anyone, despite being a tourist and despite giving off like full on tourist energy. So I think even in prices wise, it's quite like surprisingly affordable and nice. Food is also surprisingly super affordable. I'm gonna link all the places that you must visit when you're in Amritsar in the description. Make sure if you guys are going for more than a day that you should cover most of these places, because again, so good. But yeah, that pretty much sums up my day. I've had, again, one of the best days. Truly grateful, truly blessed that I was able to, take this decision, spend money, come here. So grateful. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is the chapter 26.